This is the afternoon weather briefing. This is for Wednesday, the 5th of April. I'm James Spann. A cold front just slowly approaching from the north and west. That will bring some thunderstorms to parts of north and northwest Alabama tonight. And as the front stalls out, we'll see some rain at times, really for the next several days, right on through Saturday. Maybe some strong storms this evening over northwest Alabama, too. Here's the upper air look, and the main part of this trough is lifting far, far north of Alabama, up into Canada. And accordingly, with little upper air support, we don't expect a major severe weather problem. Having said that, there could be a few strong storms over northwest Alabama this evening and tonight. Visible satellite view, another mostly sunny day for the state. The sky partly to mostly sunny. And we're watching that batch of storms to the west. Rain covers parts of West Tennessee, northwest Mississippi, down into Arkansas. Got a couple of isolated showers forming over extreme northwest Alabama, but that band is just very, very slowly creeping to the east, southeast. And another warm day as expected. Summertime preview. Muggy, warm, temperatures in the 80s. We've got Birmingham at 86, around 2:15. Montgomery 88, Dothan 87. However, look at Memphis. They're down to 65. Little Rock 67. And we'll start a cooling trend tomorrow. Highs go back in the 70s tomorrow for the northern half of the state. And then we'll see readings in the 60s by Saturday and maybe even 50s for parts of North Alabama. So we have a severe thunderstorm watch in effect for the northwestern corner of Alabama through 9 o'clock tonight. In Alabama, the counties would be Franklin, Colbert, Lauderdale, and Limestone. So just 4 counties until 9 o'clock tonight. Don't think this will be extended to the south and east. And again, the main threat coming from gusty straight-line winds. So the tornado threat very, very low, with the main dynamic support passing far to the north. And around the nation, severe thunderstorm watches extend up into parts of Kentucky and Ohio. Still blizzard warnings for parts of the Dakotas. How about that? They've been buried in snow. Here's the severe weather outlook for the rest of today and tonight. The broad risk runs from the southern tip of Texas up into the eastern Great Lakes. In Alabama, we have a level 2 out of 5 risk over the northwestern corner of the state, a level 1 out of 5 risk down to about Aniana and Northport and Aliceville. And again, the main threat for that part of the state, strong gusty winds, maybe some small hail this evening. But again, the threat will diminish later tonight. And tomorrow, no severe weather expected here. There might be a rumble of thunder. Got a marginal risk over South Texas and also in areas north and east of here. And day 3, which is Friday, no severe weather anywhere in the country. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. This is valid through Wednesday morning of next week. The amounts between 1 and 3 inches for most all of the state. Model fans, here we go, the GFS, the 12Z run. This is valid tomorrow at 4. You can see the main trough far, far north of here, up into Canada. And we have a southwest flow aloft and an upper ridge to the south and east. And as the front becomes parallel to the upper airflow, it just stops moving. And so accordingly, it will be a mostly cloudy day, not as warm as today for the northern half of the state. Now, South Alabama could see 80s again, but North Alabama highs in the 70s. Have a chance of showers, maybe some thunder. I don't think it rains all day. In fact, I'd say a decent chunk of the day could be dry, but no doubt there could be a shower or a storm at any time tomorrow. Nothing severe. So this is Friday. The front sags southward. Temperatures will be in the 60s for North Alabama, 70s for the central counties, 80s near the Gulf Coast. Periods of rain likely, but it will not rain all day. And again, no severe weather. Saturday, the weekend begins. Same thing, periods of rain. Very cool. The Tennessee Valley might stay in the 50s all day. 60s for the northern half of the state, and then 70s for South Alabama. And Easter Sunday looks good. Should be a mostly sunny day, partly to mostly sunny with highs around 70 for places like Birmingham. Upper 60s for the Tennessee Valley, mid to upper 70s in South Alabama. But at this point, Easter Sunday looks good. And next week looks awfully quiet. This is Monday. A sunny day will be in the 70s. Tuesday, the GFS tries to bring in enough moisture for a few showers near the Gulf Coast, but most of the state dry. And this is a week from today, Wednesday the 12th. The GFS tries to bring this little upper feature in the Gulf of Mexico with a surface reflection, with some chance of showers near the Gulf Coast. But again, for most of the state, the day should be dry. And really all next week for most of Alabama looks dry. Let's go out 10 days. This is Saturday the 15th, little upper low just to the south and east. And again, looks dry. So really, after Saturday, things look very quiet for Easter Sunday and all of next week. We'll check rain for Birmingham coming off the GFS ensemble. The mean is the green line on that map, the chart there. The mean about 2.5 inches between now and the 21st of April. Temperatures from the National Blend of Models. And again, this is for Birmingham. Remember, your number could vary. We'll see a big spread later this week, but this is suggesting we might hit 83 tomorrow. We think that's a little warm for most spots. High should be in the 70s, but then we drop to a high of 61 on Saturday, and then we bounce right back into the mid to upper 80s by the latter part of next week. And again, you can see we'll be in the upper 40s maybe a couple of nights there, but no sign of any late season frost or freeze. And again, we're giving the green light to plan away. And hot off the presses, got the brand new 8 to 14 day outlook from the CPC, the Climate Prediction Center. This is for the period April 13th through April 19th. And look at that. Trough in the west, below average temperatures there. Ridging in the east. Temperatures here will likely be above average if this forecast verifies. That's it for this discussion. We have notes on the blog, alabamawx.com. Had a great time today at Hillcrest High School in Tuscaloosa. Great crowd, really good time there. Tomorrow I will be in Perry County in Marion at Breakthrough Charter School. And then after that, I'll be at Concord Elementary in the western part of Jefferson County, west of Birmingham. Then Friday, I'll be at Cherokee Bend Elementary in Mountain Brook, and then I'll be speaking at a symposium at the National Water Center on the campus of the University of Alabama. At noon, that'll be a lot of fun. And then Saturday, a book signing in Wedowee, Randolph County. First Light Coffee will be there from 10 until 1. So if you live in West Georgia, East Alabama, come see us. I always look forward to being in Randolph County. Again, that's Saturday at First Light Coffee in Wedowee from 10 until 1. And, of course, we do invite you to watch us on television this evening right across the hall over there in Studio A, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.